Support for vector PDF files has been introduced in the program, which significantly increases the comfort and precision of drawing on the basis of such underlays. When drawing construction or installation elements, the auto mode can be used, similarly to DWG files. Vector PDF files also have the same possibility to show or hide layers, select layers for which the auto mode works, and change the background color. The new view of elements of the building structure in the form of a drop-down tree, grouped within stories, allows you to quickly and easily select, hide and display selected structural elements, both at the type level, for example all walls, and at the level of individual elements. Each element is accompanied by additional information allowing for their identification. Navigating the elements that make up the structure of the building, especially in large projects, has never been so easy and fast. The diagnostics of the program has been extended with new messages diagnosing irregularities in the execution of openings in the slab. This allows you to easily find and eliminate errors in the automatically generated thermal model of the building. With a warning message, the program informs about openings in the slab that protrude beyond the outline of the room and enter the area into the walls. Problematic places can be easily found in the project thanks to their list in the diagnostic window. With an error message, the program diagnoses a situation in which the edges of openings in the slab overlap and when they are tangent to each other. The error is also displayed when the opening extends beyond the outline of the slab. Gaps between the walls and the slabs or roofs can be a result of insufficient precision of drawing. Gaps between partitions may be problematic for calculations of the building structure, and then for thermal calculations of the building. The resulting gaps usually result in the inability to automatically generate the room. InstalSystem 5 has been equipped with additional diagnostics, which graphically, in the 2D editor and in the 3D view, and in text form, in the Diagnostics window, indicate suspicious situations, thus facilitating their elimination. After proper definition of ventilation airflows, grouping of rooms within building units and performing thermal calculations, you can analyze the ventilation airflow on plans in the special heat and energy editing scope dedicated for this purpose. This diagram with the values of ventilation airflows can be printed or, for example, saved as a PDF. In heating, cooling and tap water systems, it is possible to present pipe lagging in a 3D view, on plans views and schematic views, according to the style configuration. According to the default configuration, the lagging is visible only in the 3D view. The configuration of the lagging style can be changed in the General Data window, on the Component Styles tab. To get the default configuration of styles in projects started earlier, use the Restore Default button. To hide and redisplay the lagging for a selected pipe run or many pipe runs, select them and then choose the appropriate style from the style list. In the General Data window, in the Flat Stations tab, new variants of the methods of dimensioning the network supplying flat stations are available, DIN 4708 and VDI 2072. The new variants take into account different guidelines regarding the number of stations operating in the domestic hot water heating mode. As a result, after calculating the pipe runs of the risers and the network supplying the stations may carry a different flow of the medium, which ultimately may also result in the diameters of the determined pipes. The tool for cutting fragments inside the heating and cooling areas, made available in the previous publication of the InstalSystem 5 package, also forced the correction of the method of laying the loops, omitting the cut areas. The algorithm for arranging the loops has been improved, thanks to which loops are drawn correctly also around the cutout area located inside one heating-cooling area. There are situations where parts of the stacks located on different stories do not lie above each other, but must be deviated. To achieve this, while keeping both parts as one vertical in the results, create two shifted stacks whose ranges span one common story. Then, in the data table of the lower fragment of the stack, its inclusion in the upper fragment of the stack should be declared. A connection is made automatically and maintains the given angle and distance from the slab. All parts of the deviated stack can be given the same symbol. The function applies only to single stacks, with a sanitary sewage pipe run.